Tired of spending hours scrubbing your pool when technology can do it for you? In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026, including powerful cordless vacuums like the Scuba X16600 and BeatBot AquaSense 2, smart Wi-Fi options like the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, and even solar-powered skimmers like the Beta SE. Whether you're after convenience, performance, or budget-friendly automation, these reviews will help you choose the perfect fit. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. 1. The Scuba X16600 earns its place in the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026, thanks to its powerful dual-jet propulsion and cordless design. Built for efficiency, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner navigates with precision, covering walls, floors, and corners without tangling cords. Its advanced suction system ensures debris, leaves, and dirt are removed quickly, making pool maintenance effortless. With a long-lasting battery and smart path planning, the Scuba X1 is ideal for medium to large pools. Users appreciate its balance of performance and convenience, especially compared to traditional automatic pool cleaners. If you're searching for the best cordless robot pool cleaner that combines innovation with reliability, the Scuba X16600 is a standout choice. Product link is in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews. 2. The BeatBot AquaSense 2 is a sleek, cordless robotic pool cleaner designed to deliver high-end performance with minimal effort. Featured in the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026, it offers advanced navigation technology that ensures thorough cleaning of pool floors and walls. Its cordless build eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, while the powerful suction system tackles dirt, leaves, and fine debris with ease. AquaSense 2 is praised for its quiet operation and energy efficiency, making it one of the best robot pool vacuums for homeowners who value convenience. With a durable battery and smart sensors, it adapts to different pool shapes and sizes, ensuring consistent results. Whether you're looking for a premium automatic robot pool cleaner or a reliable cordless option, BeatBot AquaSense 2 stands out as a worthy investment. Product link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. 3. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Edition is a trusted name in robotic pool cleaning, and it rightfully secures a spot in the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026. With Wi-Fi connectivity, users can schedule cleanings and monitor progress directly from their smartphone, adding unmatched convenience. Known for its powerful suction and smart navigation, the Nautilus CC Plus efficiently scrubs pool floors and walls, leaving water sparkling clean. Its energy-efficient design makes it one of the best automatic robot pool cleaners available, while the brand's reputation ensures durability and reliability. Homeowners appreciate its ability to handle large pools with ease, and the Wi-Fi feature sets it apart from traditional models. If you're searching for the best robot pool vacuum with smart technology, Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is a top contender. Product link is in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. For compact yet powerful, the Scuba S1 is another impressive entry in the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026. Its cordless design makes setup simple, while advanced navigation ensures complete coverage of pool surfaces. The Scuba S1 is engineered for efficiency, tackling dirt, leaves, and fine debris with strong suction power. Its lightweight build and user-friendly operation make it one of the best budget robot pool cleaners for homeowners who want reliable performance without overspending. With a long-lasting battery and smart cleaning modes, the Scuba S1 adapts to different pool sizes and shapes, delivering consistent results. Compared to larger models, it's ideal for small to medium pools, offering convenience and affordability in one package. If you're looking for a dependable, cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner, the Scuba S1 is a smart choice. Product link is in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. 5. The Beta SE solar-powered skimmer is a unique addition to the top 5 best robot pool cleaners 2026, offering eco-friendly technology that sets it apart. Unlike traditional pool vacuums, this automatic robotic skimmer floats on the surface, powered entirely by solar energy. It continuously removes leaves, pollen, and floating debris, keeping your pool water fresh and inviting. With wireless operation and smart sensors, the Beta SE adapts to different pool shapes, making it one of the best robot pool skimmers available today. Its durable build and zero energy cost make it a budget-friendly and sustainable option for pool owners. If you're searching for a reliable wireless robot pool cleaner that prioritizes eco-conscious design, the Beta SE is a standout. Product link is in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more reviews.